Well, hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to make an attempt to teach you guys how to make a chord progression in about 1 minute. So without further ado, if this is something that you like and you might be interested in, stay tuned and do not go away. So after you open LMMS, let's go right here into Synth as Sub Effects. Let's go down and let's choose Synth Piano. Let's choose the very first one right here. Open it up. So to do a chord progression, I showed you guys in an old video, and I'm going to do this again. So the first thing you need to do is you need to choose your scale. So to do that is very simple. You go right here into no scale, go down to minor, and let's click right here on the A minor. So you right click, mark current scale, there you have it. So now we're going to create a staircase. So you start with the first one here, an A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Then from there, you make your chord. So you skip one of the lines, one here, skip one, and another one. And we do this all the way across, okay? And now you have a chord scale. Now to create a chord progression, what you do is you delete the chords that you don't want and keep the ones that you want. So to delete them, you right click and hold and erase that one. I'm going to erase, so that will be the second. I keep the third, erase the fourth, keep the fifth, and erase the sixth. And this is going to be my chord progression. But you don't want to keep it like that. So what you do is you invert the chords. Let's do this one here. And it's going to sound a lot better now. If you want, you can invert this one too. And you know what? Let's invert this one as well here. So let's take a listen to this. And there you go. That's how you create a chord progression in LMMS. Now you could take these and, spread them out a little bit further away from each other and start creating your chord and your melody any way that you like. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you learned something new with this today. And if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you could get notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you again and have a blessed, blessed day.